it's so boring.
Why don't you try some craft?
Craft? That's a good idea. Okay.
Only ice cream sticks are there. What can we make with that? Oh, I got it! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Guru's Mirror Minds, and in today's video we are going to do another crazy craft, okay? With just ice cream sticks. Do you have them at home? Then get them and let's make something cool. So what we're going to make is something like this. Isn't it cool? A puzzle of any cartoon character or anyone you like. Well, I like Pikachu, so I made an ice cream stick puzzle of Pikachu. And guess what? I'm going to solve it now. Okay, first I'll place the ears. Oh, or you can even put the alphabets in order. P. And make sure they are not observed. P. Ka. Chew. And isn't that cool? You want to make more like that of your favorite cartoon character? Then let's see how to do it. Okay, so all you need is 5 ice cream sticks, which is the main thing needed to make this puzzle. So what I'm going to do is draw the outline of my favorite cartoon character on this. So I'm going to start drawing. Okay, so I almost finished the outline. So I did this with a pencil, and if you feel that holding the sticks and drawing this will be hard, you can also use a cello tape, okay, to take 2 strips and attach each side so that it doesn't drift away, but make sure the surface is smooth. But I'm not doing this since I feel comfortable with the normal thing only. Okay, so my outline is done. I'm drawing a cartoon bear, and now what I'm going to do is take my black sketch pen and start outlining it. So the method which I am doing is a bit tough, so if you feel uncomfortable and want a better option, then try the cello tape. Okay, so doing this slowly outlining it, and you need to put these in order every now and then so that they don't drift away. I know it's a bit tricky, but you'll get used to it. So yeah, and the outlines don't need to be anything fancy. Let them be super simple, because anyway we're gonna add some decorations when we are outlining them and coloring them. So yeah, and then get all the detailing done. So yeah, the outline is done. Now you can see the bear's outline, right? Now we are going to color it, okay? So let's arrange this properly again. Yeah, but that's the problem again. It keeps drifting away. So you gotta be careful with that. And now it's coloring time. I'm using the colors which I think look good. Your cartoon should be according to your choice. So use whichever colors you want. So I've colored it. I've used brown for the fur. I've written Teddy in the side, so it'll be easy to find the pieces. I also made the mouth red, and then I've given black for the nose and eyebrows, and for the inner ears I've given yellow because it makes it stand out from the dark colors. So yeah, there it is. Now I'll just give a bit more finishing. If coloring is not a problem, so you can do it individually, stick by stick also, because anyway they're going to join and make one single picture. So yeah, I'm almost done with the finishing touches, and yeah, let's set it. So there we go, our Teddy puzzle is done. And guess what, I've made more of these, like a Doraemon puzzle and the Pikachu puzzle, which you already knew, and I'll show you one more. So yeah, I've made a couple of others too, like Shin-chan and Steve. You might not be familiar with him, but he's really popular. Yeah, and if you want to make this game even more interesting, what you can do is you can draw another character right behind it. So the Steve, and right behind Steve I've drawn the Doraemon, which you saw earlier. So why do that? You might be thinking, why do that? But when you do that, it makes it more interesting because you need to identify which part is of which character, and also you'll save more ice cream sticks this way. So yeah, this is Shin-chan. I've turned it upside down, or I'll flip it. And there we go. Guess who's this? Yep, it's the Pikachu I showed earlier. So yeah, you can do this. And now, let's play! Okay, now I'm gonna use these two sets and start puzzling. So first you can decide which two characters you're going to do, or you can do all characters, that is your wish, or you can write their names on the cheats and pick one randomly, that's your wish. So I'm going to do the Pikachu and the Steve. Okay, so I'm going to start with Pikachu. Wait, there's A here. Where's the others? Oh, and check flipping because many of them can be flipped. So yeah, I found Pikachu's ears and then eyes and its mouth. Yes, Pikachu's done. And now I'm going to do Steve. Okay, so this is his head. This is his forehead. This is his eyes, his mouth, and his face is done. And you can also write the names in the side. So if you don't know the character's face or parts properly, you can look for the spellings of their name and then identify the parts according to that. So yeah, this is done. And you can also write the names in the side. So if you don't know the character's face or parts properly, you can look for the spellings of their name and then identify the parts according to that. So yeah, that's the game. I hope you enjoyed this video because this one is really crazy, and please try it out at home and have fun. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. See you later. Bye.